Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocially.com and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to talk about some of the recent updates on TikTok and how you can use these to grow your business. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. And by the way, some of these updates, so they've been there for a while. I got them recently and they do release these changes in like small batches. So if you don't have these, just hang in there. I'm sure you're going to get these soon. But let's go through these changes or these updates one by one, and I'll show you how you can use these to grow your business. So here I am logged into my TikTok. The first update that they did, actually they've done this for a while because I've seen people use this. I didn't have it. I got it like a couple of weeks ago. But the first one is, if you look here, so you can add a clickable, this is a clickable link in your TikTok bio. This is kind of similar to, let me go to my Instagram. So if I go to my Instagram and you see how I have a link in the bio right here, like that one link, it's kind of similar to that. Let's go back. So, and then when you click on this, it's gonna open up. And in my case, I'm driving people to my YouTube channel, but you can drive people to your website, to your landing pages, to your offer pages, to your sales pages, wherever you want. And we'll actually look at some examples because I think this is really significant. Before this update, everyone was asking, what's the benefit of growing an audience on TikTok? We get that there's a lot of organic reach and you can grow fast on TikTok, but why? What's the benefit? Well, there's a clear benefit among many others. I did a video recently about multiple ways of making money from TikTok. And this is another one where you can drive traffic. If you have built the right audience, and that's the key. If you have built the right audience, you can drive those people from TikTok to any place that you want. Just make sure it's relevant to them. So how do you access this? And then I'll show you some examples to get your creative juices flowing. So first thing, make sure you update your app. Go to the App Store. Make sure you have the latest and greatest app. And then we're going to click on Edit Profile. And it's very simple. You see how right here, so I have website, and click on this and add your link and then hit save. Boom, that's it. And like I mentioned, if you don't see this, it's probably because they have not rolled out to you, unfortunately. So what I would say, just hang in there. I'm sure you're going to get it pretty soon. All right, so this was one example of driving traffic from TikTok to your YouTube channel. Let me show you a couple of other examples because I've seen some of my friends use this really effectively. So Markism, here's a friend of mine, his account, and he does his great content, by the way, and really big audience, 141,000 people. So he has my number one way to make money online, and then here's a bit.ly link. When I click on this, I think it's a landing page where he's asking people to enter their email. So here's a second idea for you. You can drive them to your website or YouTube channel, but you can also drive them to your opt-in pages. And then how to launch a proven automated profitable online business. So, if it's relevant, I'm sure he's generating a lot of emails from this. So guess what? You can generate email leads from TikTok. How cool is that? All right, now let's go back. And we're going to look at another example. Another friend of mine, Jeff, or we are connected on TikTok. So look at his link. So he's using a Grow With Me. So he's sending traffic from TikTok to his community. So when I click on this, let's actually see. I don't know if it's so it seems like he's driving people from his TikTok to his Discord channel. So you can drive people to your Facebook groups, to your LinkedIn groups, to your online communities, to your Slack groups. If you have a paid membership, you can drive people to your paid membership. There's so many options, right? So this was another example. Now let's go back, and there is one other example I want to show you. So my friend Moby Sadiq. So when I go to his profile, great content, another great guy who's in digital marketing, really good content he has. So he's driving, so this right here, this seems like his agency website. So let's open that up. So when I click on that, I believe it's going to open his website, but let's double check. Yep, there you go. So if you have product pages, service pages, sales pages, you can drive people to those. So you saw several different examples. I'm driving people to my YouTube channel for now. I might change it and test something else. You also saw how you can drive people and generate email leads. Then you also saw how you can drive people from TikTok using that link to your communities. You can drive it to paid or free communities. It's up to you. Now let's go back. So that was our update number 1, a link in the bio. Now let's talk about the update number 2, which is kind of relevant, but it's super awesome. That's like one of my favorite updates TikTok did. The update is not only you can add link in your bio, you can also add links to your videos. Yes. So first, let me show you an example, and then I'll walk you through the whole process. So I recently followed Skills by Hill Photo. So this is her account. I'm gonna click on one of her recent videos. And if you notice right here, look at this. So it's a Yelp link that when I click on this, I don't know her, but this is probably her business on Yelp. But see, from individual videos, you're now able to drive traffic to different pages by using these links. How powerful that is. Now, there's a caveat there. I think right now you can only use 2 or 3 types of links. You can drive people to Yelp links, to TripAdvisor. So maybe putting the websites or landing pages is coming soon. Who knows? I hope so, because that will be very powerful. But if you step back and think about if you're a local business, a restaurant, a dessert place, ice cream shop, yogurt place, you have such an amazing opportunity. If you're a Mexican restaurant down the street, you have such an amazing opportunity to go and grow your business on TikTok and then drive traffic to your Yelp pages. Now, let's go back and let me show you how to actually do this. So what I'm going to do is, let's just go. So I'm going to pretend like I'm making a brand new video. So I'm going to click on plus icon and let's just kind of capture the screen of my laptop. You can do all these edits. Now, let's do next, and this is where you can add links. So look here, the option, and like I said, right now, seems like I can add TripAdvisor link or Yelp link. So if you're a food blogger, oh my God, you have such a big opportunity. I know a lot of people, I live in Dallas, Texas. There are a lot of people who are food bloggers in Dallas, and on their Instagram, they do different collaborations with restaurants, and they drive traffic from their Instagram to those restaurant locations, their recipes or their dishes, basically. Now, think how powerful what I just described, that use case, how powerful that is on TikTok, right? Because you can now put the direct links to the Yelp pages or like TripAdvisor pages, right? Very, very powerful. All right, so that was, now let's go back. So that was our second update on TikTok that you can use today to grow your business. Now let's talk about the third one. The third one is very simple. Basically, it makes your content creation or your video creation easy. We used to record something in TikTok, and then sometimes if you had to trim, you would have to go use a separate app and then bring the video back. Now you can do it in the TikTok itself. For example, let me record. Here's my clip number 1, and then here's my clip number 2, right? So hit next or the check mark, and if you see on the screen right here, it just clips. That option is fairly new. So when you click on that, now look at this. So firstly, I'm able to trim my video, and the second also, it's really tiny text here. It says tap to edit, long press to reorder. So the clips that I recorded, I can reorder these. So I can long press and look at this. And then once I'm done, I'll hit save next, and then I can go publish that piece of content. Let me go back. So that was our update number 3 on TikTok that you can use to grow your business. Now let's talk about the last and number 4. And it's not really a direct way to improve or grow your business, but it's the dark mode, right? So it's also, I think it's been there for a while. The other thing is, I think I mentioned in the beginning of this video, some people have these updates for a while. I got some of these recently. Some I had the dark mode. I've had it for a while, and some people still don't have these updates. So it's funny, amazing, and kind of like a secret how they release these updates. I wish they just, whenever there's something new, they just give it to everyone, right? So we all can have fun with these new updates. The last one is the dark mode. So for that, you gotta go to click on these 3 dots. And then you're gonna go at the bottom, dark mode, this option right here, and then switch to dark mode, and boom. Now, I know this is not a direct way to grow your business, but dark mode is supposed to be better for your eyes. And the better your eyes, the better your health, the better you can grow, work in your business or on your business and grow it, right? So it's an indirect way of growing your business on TikTok. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. So those were the 4 updates, fairly recent, that I wanted to cover today, because I believe these updates, when used properly and with the right strategy, can help you grow on this platform, yourself, your personal brand, and also your business brand. If you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.